You've been throwing away your tree leaves and weeds? Stop! You're literally wasting free fertilizer. What if I told you that the secret to a healthier, greener garden is already in your backyard? Stay with me, and I'll show you how to turn tree leaves and weeds into powerful homemade fertilizer, effortlessly. Making liquid fertilizer, also known as tree leaves and weeds tea, is super easy and incredibly effective. Just grab a bucket, fill it halfway with fresh tree leaves and weeds, and top it off with water. Give it a good stir and let it sit for 3 to 5 days. Stir occasionally to release all those rich nutrients into the water. You won't believe how simple this is. After a few days, you'll notice the water has turned dark. That means it's ready. Strain out the solids and you've got a natural, nutrient-packed fertilizer. Pour this liquid directly onto your plants and watch them thrive. It gives them an instant energy boost, helping them grow stronger, greener, and healthier. This homemade fertilizer is not only free, but also chemical-free, making it perfect for organic gardening. Plus, it helps reduce waste by reusing what nature gives us. So why throw away those leaves and weeds when they can transform your garden? Try this out, and let me know how it works for you. If you found this tip useful, hit the like button and drop a comment. How do you use tree leaves and weeds in your garden?